Now I'm going to run you through some of the features of the software package that we use to create those lighting and temperature profiles to run Algem. By clicking on the Edit Profile button, you pull up this window, which allows you to have various options in terms of your lighting and your temperature. You can select a longitude and latitude, for instance, for a desired location, and you can specify a month of the year. When you do that, the system will pull up, using a meteorological database, will pull up the lighting conditions and the temperature conditions for that time of the year, for that location. For instance, I can put in a longitude and latitude for Hawaii, and I can do the same for Helsinki and create two different profiles. But you have other options too. You can do a constant temperature option or a constant lighting option. You can use a sine wave or a pulse wave option. You can do that both under lighting and under temperature. Under the lighting, you have the option of 3 different LEDs. We have red, white, and blue LEDs as standard, which you can use singly or you can make customized blends. Your mixing also, you can do a pulsed mixing option or a constant mixing option. And then lastly, continuous OD measurement. You have the option of how often you read the OD through the flask. Once you've decided on all those parameters, you essentially put all those parameters in, save the profile, and that profile is then loaded into the system, and you can draw upon that to run the system. So now I'm going to show you exactly doing that from 2 profiles that I've created for Hawaii and Helsinki in July. So I simply access from the folder Hawaii in July on this reactor on A, and for B we're going to run that in, under Helsinki in July conditions. When you click on those buttons, it uploads the profile and tells you what the reactor is going to do, and then to start the run you simply click on the play button. As the system starts to run, what it will do is start to accumulate optical density growth data, which will be plotted in real time on the curve. You also have the option of analyzing that data as the run is proceeding, for instance, to look at the impact of the lighting cycles and temperature on growth of your algal strains. So you can plot all that data onto a single graph, comparing the growth that's occurring in both flasks at the same time. You would also have the option, if you have more than one Algem unit, of actually incorporating all of that data on one graph to compare multiple experiments at the same time.